In this video, I will show you how to create a Azure Web App and then deploy your web application onto the cloud. But before that, I thought I would quickly touch base on cost management because it's a little tangential. It's not exactly related to what we are doing here, but I thought it is still important for you guys to know. The reason being that suppose if you create a Azure Web App and or if you create a VM or something and you want to just ensure that you're not spending more than what you intend to, then you need to know this. So on Azure Portal, you can log in, and then on the cost management, you can see how much you are spending. So uh, in my case, I'm not spending anything, it's very less, or I use the free ones more, so free tier and all. So that's the cost, expected cost or actual cost and all. So I just wanted to quickly show that there is this cost management, and you can play around with this feature of Azure to see how much you are spending. Because I have seen that for newcomers or even you know who who have been using Azure Portal quite often, um, cost is obviously an issue. So you need to keep an eye and a close eye on that. And so I just thought I will quickly, show you this. And while we are discussing cost management, another thing useful for you may be budgets. So you can basically, I have a budget set, but you can add a new one if you want to. And you can select the subscription here, give a name, whatever you want, reset uh, period, creation date. If you want to have an expiration date, you can give expiration date here, and then the budget amount. For instance, if it is $100, then you can give it $100. Click on next. Right, so I'll just give some name here, and click on next just to show you. You can tell that after how much percentage you want this alert condition to be triggered. So I may say, maybe you can have as many alerts you want to, but for instance, if I say forecast, and if it is reaching 100% or 75%, I want an alert to be sent to, right? You can create an action group if you want to, but in my case, I am not creating one, but you can have an email ID here. So basically what that means is that whenever there is a forecast of you hitting 75% of the budget, your budget was $100, but if there's a forecast of 75%, you'll get an email. It won't, I think, it won't remove any of your resources or anything, but on its own, but it will trigger an email and you'll get that email, and then you can do whatever you want to do it with it. So that was a quick video, little tangential to what we are discussing here, but I thought still it will be useful. So I will stop this video here, but obviously I will create another video wherein we will actually discuss about that Azure Web App I started this video with. But I don't like making big long videos because that may doze you off. So I thought I will stop this video here, and I will create another video wherein we will talk about creating Azure Web App and then actually publishing our web application to the cloud, to the Azure Web App. So that's it for this video, guys.